Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to another practical series. In today's series, we are going to solve a practical question in mathematics, change of subject, right? So this is series 20, and let's quickly delve into the question, right? So series 20, make C the subject of the relations. Okay, so our given relation is A equals the square root of B square minus 10CD, right? So we are to make C the subject of the relation. Okay, so let's quickly delve into it. Okay, so based upon the preamble of our question, our relation is giving us A equals the root square of B square minus 10 CD, right? So when you have a question like this, you have to eliminate the square root, right? And in eliminating the square root, you have to square both sides, right? Square both sides of the equation, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side, to eliminate the square roots. Okay, so in doing so, we square A. For A to become A square, then we square the variables or the equation square root of B square minus 10 CD, right? So we square it. Okay, and when you square both sides, because we want to eliminate the square roots, right? So there will be some cancellations out. So this square will cancel itself, and it will cancel the square root here. Okay, to cancel the square roots here, thereby eliminating the square root. So we are going to have our new equation to be A square equals B square minus 10CD, right? Okay, so we are asked to make C the subject of the relation, right? So we have to make C independent, and in doing so, C is not independent, right? C is dependent on negative 10D, right? So we have to move negative 10CD where C is located to the other side of the equation, and where C is located is in a negative zone, right? Because it's negative 10 CD. Okay, so when we move negative 10 CD to the other side of the equation, when any variables or any variable crosses the equal to sign, it will change its form. If it's positive, it will become negative. If it is negative, it will become positive. Here, our variables here, one is negative, which is the one we are working with, the negative 10 CD, right? So when it moves the equal to sign, it will change its form to become positive. So our negative 10 CD would change its form after crossing the equal to sign to become 10 CD, right? Equals to, we maintain where the B2 is, and this A is positive. A square is positive, right? So this A square being positive will also cross the equal to sign to the other half of the equation, and it will also change its form, or it will metamorphose into a negative number. So A crossing the equal to sign will change to become negative A square, right? So we are going to have our equation to be 10CD equals B square minus A square, right? And here, right, we want C to be the subject of the relation. So that means we want C to be an independent variable here. So in doing so, we have to cancel out, do some cancellations, right? So when you look at 10CD, the unlikely variables that when we cancel out would eliminate or make C the subject of the relation is 10D, right? So in doing so, when what you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side. Okay, so this is an equation. What you do for the left hand side, you do for the right hand side. So in canceling out the left hand side with 10D, we are also going to equally cancel out the right hand side with 10D. So we are going to have our equation to be the fraction 10CD divided by 10D equals the fraction B square minus A square divided by 10D, right? So 10D here will cancel itself. Okay, it will cancel 10 here, and it will cancel also D here, right? So we are going to have C to be an independent or a variable that stands alone, right? So C being the subject of the relation would be given as B square. C being the subject of the relation will be given as the fraction B square minus A square over 10D, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.